Hello friends, today we are going to discuss 12th standard commerce chapter 3 management by objectives MBO and management by exception. Choose the correct answers. Dash system give full scope to the individual strength and responsibility. Answer is MBO, which is the first step in process of MBO, defining organizational objectives. Dash keeps management alert to opportunities and threats by identifying critical problems. MBE. Delegation of authority is easily done with the help of MBO. So only 4 choose the correct answer in third lesson. Now we'll move on to very short answer question. All these answers are book bank questions. So you must read all the questions, and especially wherever the star is given, it's very important question which has been asked in the examination already. First question, define MBO. MBO is popularized in the USA by George Orderin. According to him, MBO is a system wherein the superior and the subordinate managers of an organization jointly identify its common goals, define each individual major area of responsibility in terms of the result expected of him, and use these measures guides for operating the unit and assessing the contribution of each of its members. This is the meaning of define MBO. Second question, what are the objectives of MBO? To measure and judge performance, to relate individual performance to organizational goals, to clarify both the job to be done and the expectation of accomplishment, to enhance communications between superiors and subordinate. Any 2 points is enough for 2 marks. Next question, bring out the meaning of MBE. The full form of MBE is management by exception. It's a style of business management that focuses on identifying and handling cases that deviate from the norm. Next question, mention any 2 advantages of MBO. Here I given 4 advantages. Any 2 advantages you can write for 2 marks. MBO process helps the manager to understand their role in the total organization. So MBO process, what he help? He help the manager to understand their role in the total organization. Manager recognize the need for planning and appreciate the planning. So manager what recognize need for planning and appreciation the planning. Delegation of authority is easily done with the help of MBO. The responsibility of a worker is fixed through MBO. Last question of very short answer. What is known as KRA? Key result areas are fixed on the organizational objective premises. Key result areas KRA are arranged on a priority basis. KRA indicates the strength of an organization. The example of KRA are profitability, market standing, innovation, etc. So this is the meaning of KRA. key result areas. Now we'll move on to short answers. Write the features of MBO. This question has been asked in March 2020 paper. MBO tries to combine the long run goals of organization with short run goals. Management tried to relate the organization goals with society goals. MBO emphasis is not only on goals but also on effective performance. Recognize the participation of employees in goal setting process. Aims at replacing the exercise of authority with consultations. So these are all the features of MBO. If they ask in short answers, it is a 3-mark question. You write 3 points, that is more than enough. Now, next question. What are the process of MBE? Primarily, it is necessary to set objectives or norms with predictable or estimated results. These performances are assessed and get equated to the actual performance. Next, the deviation gets analyzed with an insignificant or no deviation. No action is required and senior managers can concentrate on other matters. If actual performances deviate significantly, the issue needs to be passed to the senior managers, as an exception has occurred. Finally, the aim is to solve this exception immediately. So the main aim is solve the problem immediately. List out any 3 process of MBO. First point, defining organizational objectives, goal of each section, fixing key result areas, setting subordinate objectives or targets. Now long answer. First question, what are the major advantages of MBO? MBO process help the manager to understand their role in the total organization. Manager recognize the need for planning and appreciate the planning. MBO provides a foundation for participative management. Subordinates are also involved in goal setting. Systematic evaluation of performance is made with the help of MBO. MBO gives the criteria of performance. It helps to take corrective action. Delegation of authority is easily done with the help of MBO. MBO motivates the worker by job enrichment and makes the job meaningful. The responsibility of a worker is fixed through MBO. Now move on to next important essay, which has been asked in the March 20 paper 2020. What are the advantages of MBE? It saves the time of managers because they deal only with exceptional matters. Routine problems are left to subordinates. It focuses managerial attention on major problems. As a result, there is better utilization of managerial talents and energy. It facilitates delegation of authority. Top management concentrates on strategic decisions and operational decisions are left to the lower levels. It is technique of separating important information from unimportant one. MB keep management alert to opportunities and threats by identifying critical problems. It can avoid uninformed and impulsive action. Management by exception provides better yardsticks for judging results. It is helpful in objective performance appraisal. Now move on to third essay. Explain the various disadvantages of MBO. MBO fails to explain the philosophy. Most of the executive do not know how MBO works, what is MBO, and why is MBO necessary, and how participants can benefit by MBO. MBO is a time consuming process. Much time is needed by senior people for framing the MBO. Next, it leads to heavy expenditure and also requires heavy paperwork. MBO emphasizes only on short term objectives and does not consider the long term objectives. The status of subordinates is necessary for proper objectives settings, but this is not possible in the process of MBO. MBO is rigid one. Objectives should be changed according to the changed circumstances, external or internal. If it is not done, the planned results cannot be obtained. Now we'll move on to last essay. Discuss the disadvantages of MBE. The main disadvantage of MBA is only managers have the power over really important decisions, which can be demotivating for employees at lower level. Furthermore, it takes time to pass the issues to managers. Managing employees who deviate from the normal procedures because of complaints failures are considered difficult to manage and typically find themselves with limited job duties and ultimately dismissed terminated. So these are the disadvantages of MBE.